So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to send the documents to multiple signers in Docusign. First, log into Docusign. Then click Start. And upload the master document you want everyone to sign. Now drag and drop standard fields like signature or date as signed onto the document layout to create your template tags. Now, import your bulk recipient list. Just create a CSV file containing the columns for the names and email addresses of all required signers, just like this, for example. Now navigate to the bulk send tool within your envelope options. Upload your finished list. And then click Send to dispatch individual links. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.